Newport Pagnell now towards Sherington. Okay, there's the city centre. You can see the escape and Hotel Latour. Over there is Brick Hill, Great Brick Hill, and Bow Brick Hill. And we've just come from Newport and Sherington, just over there. So we're on the SL today.
What you got going on? High nose, eyes closed, holding on. And I don't want another date and break. And take all, steal all night away. Warm shadow, warm shadow. Won't you cast yourself on me?
So that's Manor Farm behind us, Filgrave. So we're on our way now to Emberton.
What you got in store for me? Keep those eyes closed.
Okay, we're just outside Olney. This is Emberton Park just so. You can see St. Peter and St. Paul's spire just in the distance. So we're going to go through Olney and then to Weston Underwood, which is over there.
Take all, steal all, night away. Warm shadow, cast yourself on me. ain't there. I am the heat. I am the rain. Rain, rain, rain all day. I am the rain. I'm gonna rain this way again. I am the rain. I am the spy. Before the play, I am the raindrop out at sea. I cause the ripples that become the crashing wave. I am the rain, rain, rain all day. I am the rain.
Okay, here we are at Cowper's Alcove. I'll just take you in. Okay, I'll just walk you around this side. God knows what time it is. This cross-country route's been quite hard. The old SL's there. So we've got a cheese sandwich and a bottle of water with a bit of IMTO in it. I'm going to eat that right now. So we've just had lunch at Cowper's Alcove. Here we are on our adventure.
Calling out your name.
I have to say it's quite good.
I'm the last cowboy in this town. Empty veins and my plastic broken crown. Said I swam the sea, ran aground.
Here we are at a farm, middle of nowhere. I thought I knew where I was, but I don't. So we're going that way.
And I know the place, but not the way. I feel no shame. Oh, now mama, do you hear my fear? It's coming after me. Calling out your name.
riding through Salcey Forest.